Yeah, I wasn't recording. That's funny. But hey, well, see, I do this because Denny and I were chatting, and if she hasn't been up here yet, and I'm like, okay, well, I'll just take some video of it, and then so you can also share it with our friends. So this is the creek crossing. Been raining pretty good since Thanksgiving, and see the natural stone. They use the big iron ore ledge here. I'm using that as the erosion. It's all stacked around it, and then they all that quick in there, and then as it get wet, it'll harden and the paper will disappear. On top is the recycled concrete for this crossing for erosion control. And this is, my friends, 4 feet above the floodplain down here. And set aside. Happy Creek. Very good. Outstanding. Okay, that's about enough for that.